Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who went out into the big world to build homes and seek their fortunes. The first little pig is building his house of straw. But it wasn't a very strong house. Then the big bad wolf came to the straw house, and the pig squealed with fright and slammed the door. The big bad wolf called to the first little pig, "Open the door and let me in. Not by the hair of your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow the house down." And then there was a second little pig. He was building his house of sticks. And this is not a strong house either. Then the big bad wolf came again, and the two little pigs slammed the door shut inside. The big bad wolf called to the two little pigs, "Open the door and let me in, not by the hair of your chinny chin chins. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow the house down." And he did. Then there was a third pig who was building his house of bricks. This was indeed a strong house than straw or sticks. Then the big bad wolf came, and the three little pigs went inside and slammed the door. The big bad wolf called to the three little pigs, "Open the door and let me in, not by the hair of your chinny chin chins. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow the house down." But the brick house didn't budge. "I'm climbing up the roof and coming down the chimney. Now I'll slide down the chimney. Yeah! No, no, no. We're safe!" shouted the three little pigs, and they lived happily ever after. The end.